Hello, my name is Catlin Ray and I'm an associate attorney at the Law Office of Kelly Y. Allen, and today I would like to discuss with you domestic violence in North Carolina. Domestic violence is the attempt to cause bodily injury or intentionally causing bodily injury upon an individual or upon a minor child residing with or in the custody of that individual by a person with whom that individual has or has had a personal relationship. The definition of domestic violence also includes placing the aggrieved party or a member of the aggrieved party's family or household in fear of imminent serious bodily injury or continued harassment. In North Carolina, examples of a personal relationship include current or former spouses, persons of the opposite sex who have or currently live together, current or former household members, etc. It is important to note, although it has not yet been litigated in North Carolina, the current or former spouses category should apply to both same-sex and opposite-sex couples. Obtaining a protective order in North Carolina due to domestic violence is called a 50B action. Prior to the date of hearing, if there is evidence for the court to determine that there is a danger of domestic violence against the victim or a minor child, the court can enter an order ex parte as it deems necessary. An ex parte decision is one decided by a judge without requiring all parties to the dispute to be present. When the case is formally heard and both parties are present, and the court determines that an act of domestic violence has occurred, the court shall grant protective order restraining the defendant from further acts of domestic violence. A protective order may also address who can remain in the residence, child custody, weapons permits, ordering a party to complete a domestic violence abuser program, etc. In North Carolina, there are also civil no-contact orders that are intended to protect victims of unlawful harassment or unwanted sexual contact whose relationships with the aggressor do not qualify under the relationships outlined for the 50B domestic violence action. An action for civil no-contact orders is called a 50C, and under this form of relief, a court may grant no contact with the victim at the victim's workplace, home, no contact by telephone, written communication, electronic communication, etc. If you or someone you know is a victim of domestic violence, please do not delay and immediately get help. Your life can depend on it. It is so important that you take the time to consult with an attorney to determine what protections you are entitled to under North Carolina law. Thank you.